Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Caesaroni sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, clean one romaine lettuce heart with water and then chop it up. When you're finished, thoroughly clean the lettuce with water again and then set it to the side. Next, pour croutons into a Ziploc bag and then crush the croutons. When you're finished, set the crushed croutons to the side. Next, place an artisan roll on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Then spread pizza sauce on each half of the artisan roll. Next, add shredded Parmesan cheese to each half. Then add shredded mozzarella cheese. Now add slices of pepperoni to the bottom half of the roll. Then sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top of the pepperoni. When you're finished, place the sandwich into the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese has melted. While the sandwich is in the oven, we're going to make the Caesar salad. In a large bowl, add the shredded lettuce you prepared before. Then add some Caesar dressing, the crushed croutons we prepared before, and a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your Caesar salad to the side. Once the sandwich has finished baking in the oven, take it out. Then add the Caesar salad on the bottom half of the sandwich. Now all you have to do is place the other half on top and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This recipe is super quick and easy to make, and the sandwich is delicious. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!